I'm somewhere in the middle, try to find myself again. But life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go.
So we're going to, hey, kitty. We're going to tackle this to-do list today. Just a few things on here that I want to get done. Not too strenuous because I am overdue pregnant now. So I'm just going to do a few of these things, and if I don't get it all done, then that's fine, but shouldn't be too bad. So let's get it started. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to.
How are you feeling? Okay. Your exercises? Okay. Bye.
Go, go, running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions out. Go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kinda like a fire, like a fire, like a.
Get your comb. Go get your comb over there. No, over here. Get it. Can you pick that up? Tidy up. Good boy. Yeah, good job cleaning up your mouth. Good job.
This rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Build things up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away your sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane. So different, kind of ignorant. You don't care what people say, people say, people say. I'm going crazy for you, baby. Don't know how you're making me feel this way. What can I say? That's what I like about you. So dangerous. I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in to lose or win. Up to knock 'em down. It's the way we keep our high, moving like a hurricane. There will come a time for when we can wash away our sins, settle down, but until then, we're like a hurricane.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. I'm not cute today. But I'm pretty proud of myself. It's only noon and I got pretty much my whole list done. I just have to put my laundry away, and once the towels and the Norwex are done drying, fold and put those away. And so now I have the rest of the day to relax. Hopefully I'll go into labor, so everyone cross your fingers that that might happen. So I'm gonna go relax now because my back is hurting a little bit. I didn't really do a whole lot of intense mopping. I just did kind of like a surface clean because I didn't really want to scrub with my back pain. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and be sure to go check out my other cleaning videos. A playlist will be linked below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.